Yes, see, asem any nintremu. Asem any nintremu. It's here for yeni ayawaha and I'm breaking news na tremo say assembly member bi e was Soga Kope Yakobo Netio. Na I'll say something. Eto de bia won. Yeni ayenim say violence enye. But eto de bia if you stand up, wo hwe na say obi na wo fa hodie so na with the violence esoriti and pakona eto de bia eye. Ede na maker. And now me know kasa breaking news are aba and say yachi police for mienu allegedly allegedly say yachi police for mienu as a police for mienu na yachi no wo mo Soga Kope na police for mienu yesi wo mo wansa e was our assembly member in ni kun ne ho they said they know something about it for na yede yaso eto fom no de yate and say our police for mienu kra no womu ena womu de womu tio ema sa am robbers say womu fan konko robbi abrantie a womu de call ya womu ko boatio no ekun abrantie no they say police for mienu tuo ena yede ko dis anyambransem no na de enti America say asem ene nintremu no eni senior na ye ka say ye free police for no say womu mbra no mo be so mo beba ye kun abrantie ni we yansa womu ba no yakoye say de na Soga Kope po no ka no nekre yakoye say nekre because police for we ya chi omo no yesi omo ye police for bia they are stationed at the Soga Kope police station ho na say police for ya frem say mo nko no mo di mutu ama an robbers say wo mo nko robbi ntia na mo anko sa na meka no enye no mo kan but me the margin for sa na meka no because what is the reasoning behind you see 2 good hours and robbers nearby a branch any use sa security door ya Ghana na say wo bia AC a dan fofra no dey atale hu security door wo bia nim say if you are breaking into a security door you need about 2 hours you see go fu use 2 good hours and they breaking into that security door na sa 2 hours no ni fear any police station ho about 20 minutes drive ubedu about the same 2 hours you free police for Mwamba say police for ya free Mwamba no say mu di mutio mumu bimu e di etio ama an robbers say wo mo fanko ye robbery ne intia eni ya free Mwamba sa na ye beka no we don't know say enu nti na Mwamba but sa na ye beka no because the story is coming up say yachi police for mienu e was Soga Kope na for police PRO wo voter region hokra trese nekre yachi police for mienu but no de one person obeka say police for mienu na yachi no robbery and na branch ya yeku no eno de one person obeka but say nekre de obetumi aka say yachi police for mienu was Soga Kope hey wo mu a e wo say mo boy ye ho ban enne de mu ye ni asem ene nintremu amba sentia dientia na make me share video na ase no dientia na make say eto de bia violence no eni inti wa imagine say abranche ye kun ni wie ye ena ni area for no ansori anko ye gidigidi anko sheshetai anko blocking road anko police station was wo money police for no kokon anko totobo ambo police wa na kende you and I know say na ka police for no wo muntumi emba abotekra embe try say wo mo achi police wo mienu you and I know so far Nkrofo ayachi who are actually linked to the murder of this assembly member A5 me ma what here say 2 days ago police for Nkrofo 3 say omunim hu bibi na misusu say Nkrofo 3 na wo mo chie no eno na enam so amayende ya sanso akochi police for mienu 2 police for 2 say wo mo nom de o mutio emma sa an robbers say wo mo nkokun abrantie no hey ewiase ye hu obi a wo fi say wo nu mo mbebo ho ban na show won Inti se me share video na se na me ka say eto de bia won violence eya. Man, don't take me wrong, but you just look or take this story as an example. It's for hey, me nya sofo, but you and I know. Me ne wo ni ayenim. Se sa asem we. He, enye se ni fiefo, onu ankasa ne nanfofo, ne nkrofo e wo area ni mu e sori ye. Se police wa agototo bo ambo police for na ka you and I know say asem we endu baby a edui. Asem we wunti John Mahama kra akọ abranche ni fie. Me the story no be brem later. But aside that, Rawlings also alcohol Onuhunti based on this particular matter crime and a Rawlings Kumasi 63rd independence when one ko because now I was a woko suka kopeho eko family no any omo kasa. And Ubisa me say Dientia because this is not the first person yabo obitio ewo voter region where you and I know this is not the first person. A lot of people die in this country. It will be someone say a dainty and a way assembly member we were no one no ya fan the high sir. It was because his people said, say massa, yam pene, we will be violent. Say police for ya frame mwamba. Say munim de moya one sem nase. Because me tia the sister no one yem. The sister no or say I'm Roberts ne buy no mudi tio eto one no sister ne so. The sister one you mo. Na me tia sama ne sister na wonyem ne kan ya me say we dear ne sister ne say wo bi a wo no ne sister ne nim no because ne sister ye dey etio train so wie ye no e na wo dwane ye e na wo ko make call within 2 hours the people were still breaking in. And na ne sister ne say wo make call e na wo bi fa moto wo bi nso fa taxi e ko police station wo ko ka say ye obi mo de police for mo mbra mo ni etio mo ne hwekra na mo pe kantin na mo de mo ya na Ann Roberts ne tia wo mo bedwane e no pe ne ye pe yen ka say mo ni Ann Roberts ne nkototo na mo be ka tren say mo ni etio dabi mo nti na ka mo nkoy wo de nipa ba ko kra na obenya ka na mo pe siren embo ka ne so nya Ann Roberts ne bedwane. This sister ne say enno any asema wo mo kwa katre police for no. Police for na mba ye ku ni wie ya police for ene de car aba begina ho say wo mo be fa body na ko. Ena this sister ne bi say eh ye be fra mo amba o musimu ni car nipa ku ni wu wie ye no afiance mo de car aba be si ho. Etiefo and it's all because his people were violent. It's all because his people said say asem we die ye ntena se enhwe saa ye be blocking roads ye be shit time ye be put police for omanya saa na ka asem ne ndu be di edu. I am not condoning violence but ya koye say Ghana ha say no say bibi too na wo nya violent about it ye feel and the last time I reported on this I said it. And a typical example KNUST. Because now students na kasa over a year students ni complaining en feel mo wo mo be violence na afa ya be set committee say the students ni pe bia na yen fa mo. You see how it is? We hu say na yete ya koye say kro we mu no one sorry waka anfe libre ene takashi ene I read ene ntokwa enhia nkrofo a odi agra e betwa fo so akọ. Me assure say papa we baby an saman e wo bia no wo beda ni mpotemfo na se wo beda ni mpotemfo na se say hey mo ya de papa at least mo ama mi wu ye mo ama enwu menwu kwa because so far 5 people have been arrested, 2 policemen. Police for na account kan na ya police for no ka ho no. You see Ghana the way our security forces your security and it's not only with the police, even the army. Send their security forces na etiwon. Ghana yanhwe ya ebedu time bi won. Incompetent people nko and edi omo ebe man these security forces. And this are so eba we are soon dead. The country is soon dead. And that say ye be funds for police who nim MPP ni pinyi bia untumi join it. Ye be yi we film ba ye be ye we film sisi a nyanka samadan fo brebo boy attachment e wo army and there's a story boy attachment for army na me madam fo ejuma ye yanka say ye software developers ye develop software ye create software na boy attachment no e wo army mu no omu use ne pa wo create softwares ma wo mo eye nyama mo ma wo mo ni je e ma wo mo penyi kraka se abranche we de e wo se wo beka ye ho e wo se ye ne e de no e be hye ami mu iti ye throw recommendation letter ma no se wo mo tro se abranche we wo ba ye wa boa ye we create softwares ama ye pese ye employ ni full time into what top forms or apply because ami no answer na obekum na so top forms into wo mo tro letter man say what top forms are obe apply into yesre mo ma ne mbra na wo be ye adwuma into obi sa no be hu ne say we nya cool chop but still yes senior Ghana teno ye man go through the process up to uko ami mu a first step ye free bibi body examination and documentation ye be check your certificate award ya ba na ya check your body wo be wrong ho na ya check say sebe wo ye be ma sebe previousa wo boss no ye aba mienu ne wom sa nyama ni awo ko ami mu a ye wrong ho na ye check mo mba no ye be check mu nufu dose too much na oton dose too much ye ma unra ami mu ami no sa na ete wo be wrong ho na ya check wo bia e wo bia enim sa na ye no ti madam fu yi ko yes anya mani ni awo wie wo san so ko ye aptitude test e pass ye ye bibia pass ye na wo wie aptitude test na wo pass ye ye wo physical training and a physical examination ye de mo be ko field so na mo akoye dwumaden ana ya mama akọ jogging mo aye races na ye hu no say physically wo ye fit wo pass ye no so wo wie eno a ye wo stage be friend the medical examination wo pass ye no ye be kwa ko hwehwe wo mo jeme hu no say ya wie bi wo mu a because soje adwuma na akoye no enya nkola adwuma e wo say ye hwe wo mo jemu ye mbe so be ba be wo atu obi so wo pass ye no the last stage aka the last stage etie for aka the last stage a interview wo call ye ne boss ne boss wo no throw letter man no what na board na ye interview ne so nti madam for nim say we wie interview ne so ko ye ne boss ne maneti ase say selection wo mo ye say wo mo ye select wo mo no sa madam for no o ka ho ne boss ne ka hye no nti wo no di onim say ya fa na wie ye nkongoti a etie for ya best san list ni din edin krofu bi din krofu asebe sa aptitude test ni nyama ni wo mo anye ene edi omudin aba be shem afei madam for ne boss no wo hu asema obe ka che madam for no because ono an ka che ne say ya true wudin ma ya submit because the AC ne say wo mo the last stage no interview ni interview we are no ma ye final selection no mo dey akọ Flagstaff House na wo mo team so say krofu we ni ya select yo mo because officer position no mo ko na sa officer position no the AC and say the whole Ghana in Kofu be 30,000 kra and top forms they apply officer position no e bia ye fan Kofu be 50 pe it imagine say ye fan Kofu 50 from 30,000 into a passive bibia ekoe was say list no wo mo de kwa Flagstaff House at least no efi Flagstaff House ababiom no ya sesa omudin je say impenyfo na e wo Flagstaff House no allegedly wo mo de omon crofo din ahyehyehyehyem afi madam for no hu de onye and you see wey omo ye de omudi ahyehyem no wo mo anko training na anye we o but because they know some people at the Flagstaff House onti ya canceling crofudin and ye de ebimudin ababeshem and these people will rise and become security agencies in this country and security forces in this country. How do you expect them to fight criminals? Nkrofobi sa no wo hu bebi a wo femu a wo be wremu ebia na wono no enye wodo bi kra na wo ma ejuma no ebia na onu ejuma wo ni wa support NPP ana NDC wo mo aba mu ni nti no ya man position ne say kona koda ne soldier officer meanwhile ni pa kona ni na kumem sa uwi a wo ko training na manetio on share mo adu comment box me tie for me da say